Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, please don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, guess what I'm doing? I am doing an kind of bagging, but without a bag, solely this bag, in regards to my aquatic plants. Yes, I have a 30-gallon aquarium, and I've just been wanting to like jazz it up. I've had this aquarium for 7 years now, so I've had the same fish again for this whole entire time. So I just wanted to jazz up my aquatic life and look. So if you're interested in seeing the plants that I picked up from Petco, and these were discounted, then keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back. I'm gonna start off with the plants that are inside of here. I purchased these yesterday, and I haven't gotten the chance to just place them inside of my aquarium. So I just wanted to show you guys first. I picked up 4 different plants. These are all, the ones that are inside of this bag were all 40% off. So the first plant that I did pick up is called a moneywort. It's a true aquatic, mid-ground, moderate to strong light plant. So I got myself a moneywort. So I wanted to just add just a bit of dimension, depth inside of my aquarium. So this is plant number 1. When it comes to aquatic plants, I'm not very like schooled on that. I'm not very good with just knowing different kinds of plants. I just like them if they're pretty, if they look nice. I'm more of a live plant girl in my aquarium, so I don't have any plastic plants. I also have just like beneficial, just like substrate versus just like aquarium gravel. So plant number 2 is this here. This is called a, I think this is called a Cryptocoryne lutea, and then this is how it looks. I didn't want to get a whole bunch of plants because you gotta take it easy, one step at a time, okay? One step at a time, my friend. And the last aquarium plant that I picked up, which I'm super excited about even more, is this. And this actually has no label, but I know it was something grass, some sort of grass aquarium plant, and I'm gonna add this also into my aquarium. So these are the 3 plants that I picked up in the 40% off section. The last plant that I picked up is this one, and this was 50% off. So let me go ahead and open this with you all. This one specifically is called an Amazon sword, Echinodorus amazonicus. Don't y'all love my Latin? Fun story. In undergrad, my first degree, I wanted to minor in actually classical cultures, and one of their requirements was to learn Latin. I never went through with it, but classics has always been just a topic of interest. Always, ever since I was a child. Alright, so this is the Amazon sword, and I'm honestly just gonna squish any bugs that I'm seeing in this here foliage. Like a lot. lot of little bugs. So yeah, this is the Amazon sword plant. This is how it looks. It has these crispy, lettucey sort of leaves that once placed in water is going to sway side to side. And I'm just gonna remove all these brown leaves. Let's just ignore the fact that I have this on a scale, but I wanted to show you guys all three of these beauties together, and this here beauty. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here. And do you have aquatic pets? Do you have an aquarium? Let me know, because your girl, I need to find people to like follow in regards to aquatic plants and aquatic care. I'm not struggling with them, but I'm just saying it never hurts to, you know, find something else to just blow my money on. Alright guys, so again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.